Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese free that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and I have searched Learn Japanese. It's like that, Learn Japanese by Meta Language. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So lexicos, vocabulary, these are the things that you will see. So these are the things that you will see if you install this app. So the categories, greetings, introduction, frequent sentence, and so on. So you can practice hiragana and katakana. And for the greetings, it contains all of these. So as you can see, hello, good morning, welcome, and so on. So greetings, you can add it to your favorites. You can listen to the words there. So it was added in the favorites. So vocabulary, human, choose the word, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it now. And we're waiting for it to complete. I just want to let you know that Learn Japanese is a simple app for anyone who wishes to learn Japanese fast and easy. It is perfect for beginners and advanced users, recommended for those who wish to travel to Japan. And the main features available, it has high-quality translations made by the Japanese citizens. Create your own favorite list. No internet connection is needed. So that's why I like this application. It doesn't require you to be connected to the internet. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is. So this is the home page, and in the home page you will see categories such as vocabulary, favorites, greetings, introductions, frequently used sentences, directions, weather, doctor, market numbers, and so on. So just scroll down and look for the right topic that you want to practice. So for beginners, let's start from greetings. So hello, there, just tap it and you will see this Japanese language, Japanese hiragana. So this one here is if you want to add it to your favorites. This one is share to your friends. Good morning is ohayo gozaimasu. Good evening is konbanwa. Welcome is irashaimase. How are you is genki desu ka? I'm fine, thanks. Watashi wa genki desu. Arigato. And so on. So just scroll down and look for the right words to use if you are communicating with a Japanese. This one is where you can search a particular word or words, like for example, I love, and you will have this I love you, which is watashi wa anata o aishitemasu. This one is where you can listen to all of these. So right now it's playing, starting from hello, then good morning, good evening, then welcome, which is irashaimase, how are you, genki desu ka, and so on. So let's go back and check our favorites. As you may have noticed, I have already one added by tapping the heart icon. So vocabulary, let's also check vocabulary. So this is where we can practice, like this one, adjectives. So choose. Alright, let's choose the word. So this is, if you notice, it's written in kanji. So this is more on the advanced level. So if you know how to read this, then you'll be able to answer it. So the choices is here. So it's going to be, if I'm not mistaken, I actually forgot this kanji, but let's try this one. Let's guess it. Alright, and this one is ikiteiru, alive. Few is sukunai. Yoko shirarete, familiar. And this one I forgot that part, so let me just skip that part. Or let's just try this one. Okay, you can choose the design, the frame. So let's choose this one there. So this one I forgot about this, but let's try this one. Elegant, wagamama na, selfish. And this one is, I don't know this one, so let me just go back. And also write the word is where you can practice writing. So scared, what's the Japanese for scared? You have to choose, you have to arrange these words here. So this one is kanji, so I will not going to answer it since I'm not good in kanji. Listen to the word is where you can tap to listen and answer it. So just choose the answer below. And this one here is mixed test, so you have to answer this. So this is going to be a mixed questions. So match the words is you have to match it. Don't know this one, so let me just go back. So as you can see, choose, I have not completed the choose, so you'll be able to see your progress here. If you completed each of these vocabularies, choose the word, then you will be able to see the progress in here below. So far I haven't completed anything yet. And then next is emotions. So there, the same thing, choose the word, write the word, listen to the word, mix test, match the word, speed test, and so on. The same goes for the rest of these categories. Choose the word, write the word, listen to the word, mix test, and so on. So if you want to see if you notice, I have one favorites for the vocabulary. I have changed the frame, and just scroll down, look for the right one that you want to learn, like this one, animals. You're going to be tested your knowledge, or test your knowledge. This one is if you want to see the alphabet, hiragana and katakana, and then scroll down. And also settings is where you can buy the progression settings is where you can buy the progression to help the developers. Select the theme, you can change it to dark theme or light theme. Hide foreign language, you can enable or disable it. Select your language, English is mine. Text size is where you can change the text size to smaller or bigger. And then information, where you can contact the developer, rate the app, share the app, more apps coming from this developer, follow us on Twitter, and so on. So there's nothing much in here. I'm not going to change anything. And also let's try to go back, and also let's try to see other things in here by scrolling down. Let's try a restaurant. So would you like to go to lunch? So use this word. By tapping it, you'll be able to see the Japanese writing, which is anata wa chishoku tabe ni ikitai desu ka? So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and very handy, especially to anyone who's going to travel to Japan for visiting relatives or touring. I highly suggest that you have this application with you so that you'll be able to practice and learn while you're traveling in Japan, and also to avoid embarrassment situations while you're staying there. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.